Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to stop showing your ads for any specific device. It might be mobile or desktop or tablets. Let's see. First of all, you have to log in your Google Ads account, then click on campaign. Inside the campaign, you can click on insights and reports, and then click on when and where ads showed, and scroll down. Here you can find device wise data. So what we can do, we have to do, edit our bid adjustments. So suppose I don't want to see my ad for tablet users because I'm not getting any clicks and revenue. So I just click on edit icon, and here I will decrease by 100% and save it. So this is how you can stop showing your ads for tablet users. If you want to do for mobile, similarly you can do for computers, that means desktop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.